From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the Aussie dollar, and as you can see, we have pulled back a bit during the trading session only to turn around and rally. Really, at this point, this has my ears perking up. I'm looking for a selling opportunity on signs of exhaustion. Probably going to drop down to like the hourly chart. Very interested in the 64 area as a potential short. We'll have to wait and see. If we break down below this like 62.75 level, it opens up a move down to 62. Nothing's really changed from a fundamental standpoint, so there's no reason to think that the pair will change. We have seen this area offer a massive amount of support. If that gets broken, look out below. If we take out the 50-day EMA and then eventually 65, then fine, maybe we're turning around. But until then, it has to prove itself.